Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic shrimp fry that's crispy and flavorful. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. For the wet components, have 1 beaten egg and 1/4 cup of cold water ready. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of cayenne for that perfect kick. Now, let's create the perfect batter for our shrimp. In a medium bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg with the cold water until thoroughly blended. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. You want a smooth batter that's thick enough to coat each shrimp evenly, ensuring a consistent and delicious crispy texture once fried. This step is crucial for success. It's time to fry our shrimp to crispy perfection. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each shrimp into the batter, letting any excess drip off. Then, gently place them into the hot oil, frying in small batches to prevent overcrowding and maintain oil temperature. Cook each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and drain on a wire rack. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade shrimp fry. Serve them immediately to savor their perfect crispiness and flavor. Garnish your platter with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a vibrant touch. Offer a selection of dipping sauces, like classic tartar sauce, a sweet chili sauce, or even a zesty spicy aioli, to complement the shrimp. This versatile dish is wonderful as an appetizer for gathering or as a satisfying main course. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.